The site comprised many buildings, 3 listed. At its heart is an original Palladian mansion built in 1756. One of the occupiers and owners was the Duke of Cambridge, and we've taken the name Cambridge House as the identity for the project. We want to renew, give the building a rebirth. Over the many years, the occupiers of this building have created a rich history. We'd like to give it its next chapter.
So Deconstruct were appointed to do enabling works package. This involved facade retentions, demolition of existing structures, deep basements, 3 and 4 levels, and a myriad of different temporary works. So the buildings we're looking at is 90 to 93 Piccadilly, which is a grade 2 listed structure. We've got 90 to 94 Piccadilly, they're the grade 1 listed structures. And then we've got Whitehorse Street, which is actually where the deepest basement was constructed at 4 levels.
We knew this project was going to be technically challenging, so we needed to work with a party who had technical knowledge, experience, but important to us were the right values. We were always going to be confronted with a number of unknowns, and in those circumstances we really need to know that we've got a party that we can work through those challenges with. Deconstruct fitted that brief.
The main works involved in the project were distinctly demolition works, deep excavations, new reinforced concrete structures and acoustic isolation. So some of the challenges that we faced with that was the retention of the existing grade 2 listed staircase in 90 to 93 Piccadilly. In order to do this and allow the building to be demolished around it, we integrated the temporary works to support the staircase with the facade retention, which is a very unique solution but worked extremely well. And this then allowed us to carry that temporary works down below the stair and integrate it with the proprietary temporary works for the basement construction. So 94 and 95 Piccadilly, both these buildings required a complete detachment at basement level. So this is very rarely done, it's very unique to this project. It involved many months of upfront design work involving the structural engineers and acousticians. The need for the acoustic isolation is purely because we have 2 tube lines which are within 6 to 7 metres of the building. The vibration from the tubes could be felt. The solution here was to actually cut the building into 2 halves, and the acoustic pads actually dampen that vibration through, and hopefully no noise will be heard in the hotel rooms.
Aside from the technical achievements, and clearly the work we've done on acoustic separation, which is a huge and pioneering achievement, our overarching achievement has been to maintain a really constructive approach and relationship through the duration. Working with Deconstruct over this phase of work has given me a very good understanding of how they approach the job, technically, but also in terms of the relationships. And it certainly means that I would be looking forward to working with them again.
Yeah, we're very proud of the quality of what we've delivered across all 3 of the buildings here. And this is mainly down to the collaboration between our designers and the design team and the whole team that we've had on site, which has delivered the fantastic results we see today.